Hi guys, welcome back. Today this is not a build tutorial, but for informational purposes only for those of you who have a laser and are fighting the cold temperatures. Here in Maryland, we've been having temperatures drop as low as 7 degrees, which means it's too cold for the heat pump or the heat storm to keep up. As you can see, my electric bill doubled from November to December. Not even looking forward to January because it's got even colder. Our solution to this to keep the laser safe was to build a box around it with 2-inch foam board that we got from insulation. This is a white foam board that's solid and it has paper on both sides that we got from Home Depot, and it was like $57 a sheet. We used a total of 3 sheets, and that's the price in Maryland, by the way. I don't know what it is in your state. And we built the frame to secure it, and we put the heater of the heat storm inside of the box. So far, the temperature immediately went up, and it keeps going up, and now it's holding at 74 to 75 degrees. It did drop once to 73 degrees, but it is not freezing, and it is keeping the area heated so that the laser tube does not break or the chiller does not freeze and break. So if you have a laser and you have it in a very cold area, I would suggest that you go ahead and go to Home Depot, get yourself some 2x3s and some foam board, and insulate the area around it. The heat storm heater can be found on Amazon, and the foam that I got is R13 value, not the R10. The R10 is the pink stuff. The R13 is actually better for insulation by 3. So it's just a quick fix for us. We're going to readjust, and we are actually going to add more walls on the inside and add R13 on the interior walls to insulate this area better, because I'm suspecting that my next electric bill will probably double again. Seeing how November doubled to December, I don't even want to think about what January looks like. And I definitely do not want to have to replace the laser tube or the chiller. So if you have a laser and you are running into cold temperatures where your heat pump and your mini split does not hold up, and your backup heater isn't holding up either because it's just too cold, this will help you out. Yes, it's expensive to do it, but it will save you thousands in replacing a laser tube and a chiller later. All right, well, hopefully this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it works out for you. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.